In this video, we'll cover how to view, filter and manage existing datasets in qTest. The Datasets tab is where you can view and manage your existing datasets. To access the Datasets tab, navigate to qTest Parameters and then click the Datasets tab at the top of the screen. By default, the most recently created datasets appear at the top of the Datasets tab. Basic information is listed for each dataset, including whether the dataset is active and the parameters that are included in the dataset. To sort datasets, click any column heading. Datasets will arrange in descending order. Click the column heading again to arrange the datasets in ascending order. You can use the filter function to display only datasets that match specified criteria. To filter datasets, select or make entries in the filter fields and then click Filter. You can filter your datasets by project, name and status. The filter can be used, for example, to search for all inactive datasets. Once you find the dataset you were searching for, you can modify its name, status, description, parameters and values. To do so, simply select the dataset to modify and edit the needed fields. Some datasets might not be useful for the time being, but could become so at some later point for an upcoming project. You can change the status of a dataset to activate or deactivate the dataset as needed. You can also delete a dataset if it is no longer needed. It's important to remember that before deactivating or deleting a dataset, you need to verify that it is not being used in any test case. If it is, it will not be deactivated or deleted. To delete, activate or deactivate an individual dataset, click the action icon for the dataset. On the menu that appears, select the appropriate option. Always remember, save your work before leaving. Thanks for watching.